Most of us have felt that sudden, sharp scratch of a stray eyelash or a tiny speck of dust hitting our eye. It's an irritating sensation that makes it hard to focus on anything else. When that speck slips out of sight, it's easy to worry that it's headed for the back of the eye, where it might get lost forever or even end up near the brain. Fortunately, that can't actually happen. Your anatomy is designed to make it impossible for anything to travel behind your eyeball. You are protected by a hidden, continuous shield called the conjunctiva. It acts as a clear, biological seal for the entire front of the eye. We often think of the eye as a loose ball sitting in an open socket, but this shield proves the opposite. The front of your eye is a completely closed and secure system. The white part of the eye is the front line, exposed to the air and everything floating in it every second your eyes are open. This surface is covered by a thin, seamless membrane that works like biological cling wrap, a clear, protective layer resting tightly over the eye. This first section, the eye-facing layer, covers the white of the eye. It's so transparent you'd never know it was there. When this membrane reaches the edge, it doesn't just stop. It reverses direction, folding 180 degrees back to point toward the front. This fold creates a physical dead end. If dust or an eyelash slides toward the edge of your eye, it hits this barrier and stops, with no way to move further back into the socket. This system also has to account for your eyelids, which are constantly sliding up and down over the eye surface. After making that sharp turn, the membrane lines the inside of your lid. Where the eye and eyelid meet is a flexible hinge called the fornix. It stretches and compresses like a springy accordion, letting you look in any direction without the seal breaking. This structure works like a pocket in a pair of jeans. A coin can slide around inside the pocket, but it can't pass through the fabric lining to touch your skin. By looping from the eye to the eyelid, this membrane forms an airtight, flexible barrier that keeps the outside world where it belongs, on the outside. This shield is a living, active part of your body that does much more than just block debris. One of its primary jobs is constantly keeping the entire surface of the eye perfectly slick and wet. To do this, the membrane constantly releases a precise blend of moisture and protective mucus. This provides a slick cushion between eye and lid. Without it, blinking would feel like dry sandpaper. This moisture traps microscopic threats like bacteria. Once stuck, specialized defense cells from the membrane's lymphoid tissue neutralize these germs on the spot, stopping infections before they start. Your eye is protected by a system that is simultaneously a physical dead-end pocket, a self-lubricating surface, and an active security zone. We move through dusty, dry, and germ-filled environments every day, usually without our eyes ever feeling a hint of pain or discomfort. That daily comfort is thanks to this invisible shield, working quietly to ensure the front of your eye stays sealed, slick, and safe.